Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Today I'm participating in the wonderful DIY Floral Challenge for Spring 2018. It's hosted by my sweet friends Lindsay at Doma Home as well as Heidi from HEIDI SONBOUL. I hope you enjoy. Taking 4 floral foams from my local dollar store, I decided to create another beautiful perfume bottle. Rather than stand the foam upright like I did with the Chanel bottle, I decided to create a Dior bottle, this time laying the foam on its back and stacking it on top. Taking a kitchen knife, I cut about 10 centimetres from the end, and using the larger piece, I use this as the top of the bottle. I would then hot glue everything into place. Taking a Miss Dior printout from the internet, I used the cardboard that come with the floral foam and I cut this out and glued it in place. You can see here that I'm hot gluing all the foam pieces together to create the shape of the bottle. Taking some dollar store flowers that I picked up from my dollar store for just $1.99 a bunch, I picked up 10 bunches in this particular colour. I then took a wire cutter and cut off each of the flowers, leaving a little bit of wire so it could be pressed into the foam. Starting with my first flower, I just simply pressed it into the foam and repeated the same steps to each of the flowers. I then started at the top of the bottle and repeated the same steps. Your bottle will end up looking something like this. I then started on the sides of my bottle and taking some white flowers in the same design, I randomly added a few more and repeated the same steps. As my flowers were getting more scarce, I added these hot pink ones as well, just to the sides. And also to save some money, I decided this time to not add flowers to the back of my bottle. I simply used this self-adhesive felt that I already had, and I placed it at the back, covering the foam. So guys, you'll notice here that at the front of the bottle, I decided to take a few flowers out and added the Miss Dior sign to the middle. I was originally going to just hot glue that sign to the top of the flowers, but I found it gave more definition inside. I then hot glued a sweet little black and white bow to a black bow at the front of the bottle. Guys, you know I love my glam decor, but I also adore anything floral. So this challenge was the perfect thing for me to express my creativity and add the two combinations together. The rules for this challenge were completely simple. Just create some form of floral arrangement for your home decor. I loved that I combined my two favourite things, glam and floral, and bring to you a simple and easy DIY project that you could all do this weekend. Spring is in the air for lots of my overseas friends, and this would be the perfect addition to your home to brighten up your living room, beauty room, or maybe even your bedroom. Again, you could change this up in so many different ways. You could use different flowers, different colours, and certainly change the Misty or sign to anything that you would like yourself. Guys, I absolutely loved bringing these floral projects to you. There's cute little perfume bottles, as I said, possibilities are endless. My Chanel one, I had so much great feedback on. If you'd like to see that video, I'll leave that linked down below. A big shout out goes to my sweet friends Lindsay at Doma Home, as well as Heidi from HEIDI SONBOUL, who created this wonderful DIY floral challenge. Thank you ladies for letting me participate. I had so much fun. Guys, if you could go over and check out Lindsay's channel, she has a playlist of other YouTubers like myself who have participated in this wonderful challenge. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some way to take on a DIY floral challenge of your own this weekend. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and more room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. I hope you enjoy your day, and until next time my friends, thank you so much for watching.